Leo, this is your channel messages for the 2nd of November. I'm your host, Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner, and tarot reader. Leo, your channel message is... Man, I told y'all already, man. You keep fucking with my name, man. Stop fucking with my name, man. Stop playing with my name, man. You playing with my motherfucking name, okay? Stop doing that, man. I talked to you multiple times and you keep playing with my motherfucking name. Yeah, well, but how come you never said that to me when we were outside? I'm saying it to you now, nigga. I'm saying it to you now. Listen to me. I may believe that I'm a very good tarot reader, but nobody prepared me for the information that I was going to stumble upon last night. Can anybody tell me how Birdman switched destinies with P. Diddy? Because I think that Birdman was supposed to be taking a fall for a lot of these young men initiations in Hollywood, especially Lil Wayne. Lil Wayne is no stranger to talking about the things, the sick things that people put you through in Hollywood. Birdman was one of his mentors. Nevertheless, Birdman decided that he was going to fly the fuck away. He switched destinies with fucking P. Diddy. Nobody's talking about this. Nobody's talking about this. On the fuck gun. Also, speaking of switching destinies, okay, so Megan Thee Stallion, you trifling as fuck, bitch. So after the whole thing happened, you get shot in the foot to Gayle King. I'm fighting for my motherfucking life. Robert, right? Gayle King, blood clot interview you, right? Since Oprah was like, Megan Thee Stallion, Rihanna, okay, Gayle, you take this, right? Oprah tell her friend to take blood clot Megan Thee Stallion's fucking statement. No. Megan Thee Stallion come out and be like, oh, yes, bitch, okay, yes, bitch, I lied. Thinking it's funny. It's not funny. A man is in prison. No, you say you never lie, say you get shot. But you did lie, say you fucked Tory. You did fuck Tory Lanez. You dirty fucking... You dirty fucking... Right? Why did you do that, Megan? You know, say you slowly but surely I fuck up your career. And you know I'm telling you who I do it? I'm going to show you who fucking up your career. Because last night I was on a thread. That name, if you don't thank Beyonce if you value your life. Oh, I want to thank Beyonce. Okay, right, okay. So Megan Thee Stallion is slowly but surely she fuck up her own blood clot reputation. So you did fuck Tory. You made it sound like this leprechaun shot who was this no hairline leprechaun shot who I wrote it down and chased the blood clot down. This leprechaun looking couldn't get on the blood clot horse because he was so short. This is what you made Hollywood believe. But underneath that hair and a nice body and that right? Tory Lanez did it, your blood clot. I'm telling you. You're ashamed to say Tory Lanez could I get your blood clot, pussy. Talk about it, Megan. Let's talk about it. I'm a woman. I can tell you about these things. That's why you're ashamed, man. The one of the blood clot man them in Hollywood. The Rock a lost off of your body. Beer man a lost off of your body. But nobody's approaching you. You know why? The first problem is nobody should tell you to sign with Rock Nation. You abandon your blood clot record label and run gonna Rock Nation, run gonna blood clot Jay-Z and Beyonce record label because it's so frightened because Jay-Z and Beyonce blood clot sign you. That is your first blood clot step to hell. Your second blood clot step to hell is now you tell lie on Tory Lane. So you did fuck him. You say you never fuck him. You say you never had an intimate relationship with him. Him was just so angry you wouldn't give him the pussy, him shooting in your foot. This is what you said. And he got charged on that. So even though you're nice and your body look nice and you was the most fuckable person in Hollywood, and even though I don't know if Megan Thee Stallion or our marketing team know this, they're marketing her to girls. They're not marketing her to guys. That's the first thing. Yeah, so I don't know what happened. You decide say you want to jump and do what you want to do. You were upset because you did shame. Anthony Miller, when you said Megan Thee Stallion did shame to say that Tory Lanez are, how shame was she? She shame blood clot bad. All of these men in Hollywood, all these good-looking men in Hollywood, but a Tory Lane could have make you laugh the panties them off, and you don't. And you never want to go back in Hollywood go tell Ja Rule. It's Ja. Ja is on the line. Ja, how do you feel about the incident on the Twin Towers, right? You never want Ja Rule. You never want Snoop Dogg. You never want whoever the fuck it is for no say Tory Lanez fuck you. And they're going to say, oh yeah, you know what, I probably fucked that nigga once, twice, maybe 3 times on a drunken night. Oh, so now you're blaming it on the liquor. Oh, you said the only reason why you fucked Tory Lanez is because you were highly intoxicated. Sweetie, if you're highly intoxicated, you can't consent. So now are we on a rape charge? Because you didn't call rape. So if you're highly intoxicated on a fucked up, forgetful night, you're fucking him, you never call rape. So were you sober enough to consent to that? Okay, say you weren't that drunk and you did consent to it. You're fucking more than one time. When I meet the man them on OK Cupid or POF, me usually fuck them once and me never call them back. My have a leap of man and some of them in no fear for some of them I fuck and never call them back. Now them hate me. I rarely fuck man 2 times anytime I go out with them. Usually that's why you see me with different man. Cause 1 time I fuck them. Rarely them can say them fuck me 2 times. Maybe 1 man out of the last 3 blood clot years can say them fuck me 2 times. Right? Okay. So you're fucking more than once, more than thrice. You're fucking basically. And then when man and woman in an argument, because fucking argument tonight, we don't know. I don't believe he shot you in your foot. I don't believe him do this to you and say, bitch, you're not there with me? Alright. Bam. I don't believe he did that to you. Maybe some tuffling with the gun happen or we don't know what the fuck happened. Either way, you locked Tory the fuck up. Or you made sure that Rock Nation did lock him the blood clot up. Because you never want and me say you fuck him. And now that your ego is down, me don't know if you're not getting a blood clot man in Hollywood, or me don't know you finally come off of your high horse. Yes, he said, oh, it wasn't that bad. I actually couldn't admit that I fucked him. Look what Christian Rocker got through, and she's still strong as fuck. No, she just exposed her blood clot sister. You did not want Hollywood to know that even though you're this big man and the stallion, a Tory Lane laugh off your blood clot panty off of you. Cause you did shame for walk with Tory Lane on blood clot red carpet. You did shame for claim Tory Lane, even though he has already captured your blood clot pussy flag. And you can go on, do it is what you want to do. You know why this happened to her? I'm not gonna tell you why this happened to her. And let me tell you something, Megan Thee Stallion, you should know. Let me tell you also something if you never blood. You have to know who for man for fuck with and who. You have to know the type of married man you for fuck with and a married man you for fuck with. You hear? Some married man you don't blood clot talk to them. Any inquiries or questions you bring to them wife. You need to know the difference. And I saw a video with Beyonce performing on stage. Jay-Z was standing up beside Megan Thee Stallion, and me don't know him just did look really friendly with her. And I say, listen to me say, if Beyonce ever see that blood clot footage, that girl like career done. Probably that's what they did to you. They signed you underneath it so that your career could be flopped from now on. And you would be marketed as a lesbian. Because even though a lot of men are fantasizing about you, you are not attainable to Hollywood. So now you are power up now with Jay-Z and you think Beyonce is okay with that? Oh, it's just friends, it's just a studio. Mimi and Jocelyn. And fucking Stevie J shit. Sweetie, you know we are wrong. You know that. So we're asking if we can appeal what happened with Tory Lanez. And I'd like to thank God. That's it. You didn't thank Beyonce. You need to thank Beyonce. Anyways, let's just go ahead and go into your reading. So we're asking for the judge to reassess Tory Lanez's hairline and reassess him can get put on the house arrest. In the court of law, there should not be. You're supposed to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So be it. No. You have come out to say not only are you saying that this. Because first, yes, what was the intent of him shooting her? They had no sexual chemistry. They had no sexual contact. You're an abuser. You want to force her into submissiveness? So you shot her in her fucking foot? So that she could be submissive to you? No, we are finding out say you did suck him dick. He did come on your ass or on your stomach or on your face. We don't know. And you tell the world say it's just this man was obsessed with you. So I'm asking the court to please reanalyze Tory Lanez's case because Megan Thee Stallion lied. And even if we still shoot her in her foot, okay, well, why should I tell lie about who she not fuck? Tory Lanez was not cock blocking her, she cock blocked herself. She pussy attracted herself. So I don't know what the fuck this is. Anyways, let's just go ahead and see your reading. We're doing we're doing a family tree reading today. Let's go ahead and go into it. I did not want the readings to be late, but apparently I have messages. I have to talk the messages I have. Me know, cause even sometimes when me little, the man them who me get along with, they're not the ones who was the top man them. Them are not the one them who did work the best job or did look the nicest. Them wasn't the one them who was within the in crowd. But them are the one them who could laugh off and blood clot panty off of me. So Megan, you didn't want fuck where you could fuck behind the scenes, and then when you're in a public you don't want to claim the man because you're ashamed to say Tory Lanez fuck her. Megan Thee Stallion, nice as Megan Thee Stallion, Tory Lanez fuck her, you never want to admit it. Say in that swag, you should just more than just say it, you should just learn how to do it. Hey. No, you was scared, that's what it was. You're scared if you tell Hollywood we are fuck. Tell me if I'm lying, if I'm lying, YouTube family, don't cuss me in the blood clot comments. Cuss me? I won't cuss back. Let's see what a female bloodline carries. We have the 8 of Cups again. The whole of the family carry drinking. Me get you when I love drink. Intoxications, liver. That's why your females bloodline curses. What's your blessing? The 4 of Pentacles. Me get you when very resourceful though, and know how to save money. I'm also getting all of the females know how to talk to man. So I'm getting all of the females when they can talk a man into giving his debit card. I don't know if that. I'm getting all of the females very, very convincing when they always get money from man. Man always help all on. Let's see what is in the male bloodline. What is the curse for the males in your family? The Magician. The one of the man them are warlocks. Them love to use magic on girl. What we mean by magic? We mean them kill a roach and put it in the freezer and do spell and make it be you. Your life can't progress. Ever since you meet the man, your life can't progress. Your business can't aspire. Not your business not make no money. Nothing not make no money. Me getting the man them are warlocks in your family. Me getting the whole of the man them born premature or them have some type of low sperm count. The whole of them are warlock and demons. Them use magic on the woman them. Maybe that's why all of the women them drinking in your family. This could also be every woman in your family who work, them give the money back to the man them. Like you're working an office job and you give your money back to your man as if you were a prostitute. You're getting all of the man them in your family. The curse is the whole of them them use witchcraft and warlock and urine and pee and all type come for do magic to get women. What is the male's blessings? Me getting the whole of them good in construction. The whole of them maybe the whole of them can build house. They're masons. That's why them love do so much magic. Cause them know for build house. Anybody, me not talk about architect. Some architect too. But any man who a mason, any man who know for lay a brick, you're a bricklayer, you're a mason. Usually them know about magic and them use rum, vodka or liquor in them magic. Usually. Okay, let's see what the talent your mother gave you. The death card. When me getting when you can predict death, me get to know when people are dead. Or every time somebody are dead, somebody in your family get drunk off. Like them still not drink tonight and then just drunk out tonight. Tomorrow somebody dead. Me getting your family know about spirit. Or the girls them, the whole of them can get dreams. What did your father leave for you? This could also be no mother when you never had moms. So I'm getting a man raised, when I had boyfriends early, make the boyfriend them navigate, pay for things for, when I never had a mother either. Maybe that's why your father is putting so much witchcraft on, because you never have no mother. Maybe your father didn't even kill your mother. They can go as far as saying that. What did you get from your father? The Fool card. Me getting your mother dead and your father abandoned you. Or me getting you were never close to any parent. Either way. So your family just teach you not to be close to your parents for this lifetime. I'm getting your father may have built the house you live in, but he was never there living in the house with you. Me getting your mother dead. Your mother might have died of alcohol poisoning. Or something about on your deathbed, your mother will tell you where this safe is, full of money, where she hide all her life. She'll give it to you on her deathbed. This safe of money. And let's just see what messages from your ancestors should support you today. The Queen of Cups. I'm getting your ancestor is a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio woman. Your ancestors could also be white. I'm getting your mother. Your mother is a Scorpio. I'm getting I'm going to see what the message is she's telling you. So I'm getting something about a Cancer, Pisces woman, but it's dead in your family. She died, she never did, she dead maybe before 60, she dead. She's saying that you have a bright future. She also wants to let you know that you should kill them with kindness. You should also know the FBI may have something to do with this. Maybe somebody is looking up someone's debts, okay? All expense paid. Again, she might leave you one safe full of money. But she was saving all her life. One more, she also wants you to know that there is a ghost in my room. So she wants you to know that she is with you. I'm going to leave it here until next time. Bye.